Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 30 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down again in order to find the ringtones. Let's tap, and here as you can see we've got, let's say, 3 different options for which we can change the ringtone. So we can change the ringtone for incoming calls, and those are divided between 2 different SIM cards, and for the notifications. So let me show you how to do it using, for example, the first SIM card, and here we've been transferred to the defaultly installed phone ringtones from which we can choose, and here we've got the music. So basically if you will have any files which are compatible, for example downloaded, they will appear right there and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to the defaultly installed ones, and right here as you can see at the very top, we've got the option None, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not use the sound to notify you about the incoming call, and under it we've got the options from which we can choose. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. So for example this one, and you can hear it, you can check how it sounds, if you like it or not. And after picking the option, for example, let's pretend that I want this magic to be set, make sure that it is marked like that and tap on OK. And as you can see, the magic, the name of this ringtone immediately appears right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your ZTE Axon 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.